My upload today for the 28th of May is with regard to the developments of individuals in a community that since 2016 have been violating my bodily integrity. I'm just going to make this public share for the interests of those that are fully aware already of the individuals I am referring to that are shirking the consequences of their developments that have caused disruption to private life and society and nature and wildlife. This is from the perspective of a universal light worker, a sentient being who has experienced the bodily integrity damages of individuals that are not taking responsibility for their endeavours and that have violated the Declaration of Human Rights when violating my light body as a spiritual being. So this is just to establish that yet again, since 2017, there are more avoidance tactics by culprits that have been causing disruption and distortions in a situation that is quite serious, that highly affects human rights of my child and I, and that also affects nature, wildlife, climate change, and my farm holdings also. So the individuals that I am referring to are already aware, and so are the individuals that are concerned with information acquisition and privacy laws and exposure of individuals' privacy, that the culprits of this entire situation that affects women and children's rights, the constitutional rights, etc., of my child and I, that they have violated and damaged. And it also affects the role of faith, religion, and spirituality and thought processing. And it also affects the role of creative and intellectual property that individuals have acquired from my personal experience by unethical and unlawful means. So this situation that has been met with obstruction due to these culprits trying to avoid and shirk the responsibility of the damages they have caused to my body, my well-being, my personal and professional experiences are still altering and re-editing the facts of a very serious matter. So my rights to justice have been obstructed by unlawful actions and individuals claiming authority of circumstances that they have no authority of. There is by no means any individual that has ever had any right to my spiritual experience as a universal light worker, and that entails the sacred light fragments of my spiritual experience. So this is just to reiterate that there has not just been treason, there has been bodily integrity damages in a spiritually vile assault, and there have been individuals culprits that have been of identity theft, property theft, financial theft, etc., creative intellectual theft, etc., that are still exacerbating a situation that is already quite serious. So information and the attainment of information and privacy that has been violated by these individuals of poor progress and developments that haven't been ethical or lawful have caused demonstrable difficulties for peaceful citizens that respect privacy of others and that respect the personal information of others. And as regards the role of faith, religion, and spirituality, the individuals masquerading themselves as newly reformed universal light workers, since causing very serious harm to my body between 2017 and 2018, are making a mockery and an insult to the human right of faith, religion, and thought processing.